Namaste, good morning. Today's important topic is morning routine. I discovered there are two important routines in our life which will decide the state of our mental, physical, spiritual, and emotional health. Morning routine and evening routine. Evening routine. When we wake up in the morning and when we go to bed, when we go to sleep, these are the two important rituals in our life. If we can improve upon them, if we can control upon them, and if we can make them good, then our life will undergo a profound transformation. And in today's video, I am going to tell you the morning routine, how to make your morning routine the best routine so that your day becomes very, very good day. The greatest problem is the stress. Stress is a killer. Whole day while you are doing some work, activities, you are eating, you are drinking, and you will find lot of stress molecules are being produced inside your body. And these stress molecules are attacking the cells of which you are made up of. Oxidative stress. And the result of this stress is degeneration of the different parts and organs of the body. So different parts and organs of your body are undergoing degeneration. Even ultimately it could lead to cancer and many other chronic diseases. Meditation, breathing techniques can reverse the oxidative stress back to the normal cell if we do it regularly. This is a very, very important game changer in our life. So we should do and begin our day, morning day, with few minutes of meditation. 5 to 10 minutes of breathing techniques, 5 to 10 minutes of morning meditation will add years to your life. And today we are going to do 4-point activation meditation in order to release the stress from our mind, body and soul. This is a very important exercise. This is a very important breathing technique which I am going to do it today. What we will do, we are going to inhale. We are going to inhale deeply and then we will exhale. Now when we inhale, we will do a counting of 1 to 7 in our mind. And when we exhale, we will count 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We will do it about 5 minutes and we will see the effects of this if we continue to do it every day. So you can see that I have a mat, I have a wall behind me because I want my spinal cord should be erect when I will sit in a very comfortable position. I have a dari, a pillow which I can take help. So बैठ जाइए, आप अपनी दरी बिछा लीजिए, मैट बिछा लीजिए, और अगर जो लोग सुखासन में बैठ सकते हैं बैठिए, जो लोग वज्रासन में बैठ सकते हैं वो वज्रासन में बैठिए, जो पद्मासन में बैठ सकते हैं वो पद्मासन में बैठिए, और जिनको कुछ लेग्स में नीज में पेन है, प्रॉब्लम है, वो कोई सोफा या चेयर पे कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन पर बैठ सकते हैं. यू कैन सिट ऑन ए सोफा और ए चेयर इन ए कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन, और यू कैन पुट ए मैट और ए दरी एंड यू कैन sit in Sukhasana in a very comfortable position. So our spinal cord should be erect. If we can't sit ourselves. Then we are taking the support of the wall in order to make the spinal cord erect. We are beginning with the prayer. Fold your hands. Asato ma sadmaya tamso ma jyotirgamay मृत्युमा अमृतमय गमय. ओम शांति शांति शांति. O God, lead us from untruth to truth. Lead us from ignorance to awareness. Lead us from darkness to light. And lead us from beyond all our limitations. This is very important that we go beyond our limitations. Getting up early in the morning, 5 a.m., we are preparing ourselves for meditation, for breathing techniques to relieve all the stress molecules which are present inside the body. Okay, now you will take a very, very comfortable position. If you want, you can use dari or a pillow in order to support yourself, and sit comfortably, sit comfortably, sit comfortably. Your light should be as less as possible. Sit in a very quiet place. Now what will we do? Before we begin, let us close our hands 3 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now you can close your eyes and open your eyes completely. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now you can see that there is no stiffness in the neck. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now you can your feet, you can close your feet, open your feet 3 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You can open your mouth completely. Close it, close it, close it, close it. Shoulders, you can rotate your shoulders. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now we have removed all the stiffness from the body. We will now close our eyes, and keep normal breathing. Bring all your attention on your breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Normal breathing, and now you take your attention on all parts of the body, from head to the feet to the fingers, so that we relax them completely. Relax them completely. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Take your attention to your mind, to your head. Relax your mind. Relax your mind. Relax your forehead. Relax your entire face. Relax your hands. Relax your back. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach. Keep inhaling, exhaling. Relax your legs. Relax your legs. Relax your feet. Relax your lips. Relax your nose. Relax every part of your body completely. Now sit comfortably. You are relaxed everything. Start the breathing. You will inhale strongly as much as possible fast up to 7, and then exhale. In your mind you will count 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Start. Inhale, exhale. सांस लीजिए 1 to 7 काउंटिंग इन योर माइंड. सांस छोड़िए 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 इन योर माइंड. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. सांस लीजिए, सांस छोड़िए. Keep counting in your mind. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep repeating the cycle by counting within your mind. सांस लीजिए, सांस छोड़िए. Stop counting now. Come to normal breathing. As you breathe in, bring hope, positive vibes in your mind. As you breathe out, let the stress go out. Breathe out the stress. Now you can lie down in Shavasana for a few minutes. Keep inhaling, exhaling. Normal breathing. Go in deep rest. Slowly get up. Rub your hands. Heat energy, healing energy, like a field of the magnet is produced. Put it on your face. Gentle massage your face, your eyes, your neck, your entire body. And now you can open your eyes with a smile. 1, 2, 3, clap. Observe your hands. Bring all your attention to see the deep fingers in your hands. This is the hands with which you create your life. Express gratitude and thanks to the universe, to the God, for the gift of the life which has been given to you. So maintain yourself, breathe out well, start your day early in the morning with breathing exercises. After that you can go to the park, go for a walk, go for jogging, go for running, or you can do few yoga asanas to activate your body and improve your immunity. This meditation helps in relieving the stress, and whatever cells were getting oxidative stress due to the radicals which are produced in the body because of the food which we are eating, because of the work stress, this can reverse it and proves good is anti-aging, because what you are mainly aging because of the stress. I hope this exercise has helped me a lot. This breathing has helped me. It can help you also experience the change. Those who are suffering from some chronic diseases, they may consult their physicians before entering into any breathing exercises or meditations. Have a blessed day, have a good day. आपका जीवन मंगल में हो, आपका दिन शुभ हो. Namaste. In my next video, I will tell you something about the evening ritual.